Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to give a quick project update on the Malene project. It's a friend of a friend. They needed some exterior work done, and we're also doing an elastomeric coating on the roof to prevent any water intrusion this coming hurricane season. It's already summer. It's already rainy season. So they're just trying to buy some time before they can get a new roof. But yeah, so my guys did all the other little stuff, and then when it came time to do the elastomeric coating, the day they went to roll it on, it was just so hot out there that the paint just immediately started tacking up. So then the next day it was raining. They couldn't put it on when it was raining. The following day it wasn't raining, but it was, the forecast called for rain. So, you know, we're in South Florida. It's the beginning of the summer. Every day it's going to rain, or it's going to start raining at some point in the day, most likely at 3 o'clock. So, you know, my guy's been my guy's been communicating with the client and myself. I've been communicating with the client. She seems very understanding, and she appreciates that we're not trying to just rush through it just to try to collect the payment, you know. She said, listen, we're going out of town on the 9th. If it's not done by the 9th, I don't know if I'll be able to make the final payment to you, because we'll be in the mountains and we won't have any service. And I said, listen, like, more than likely we'll get it done before you leave town. I think Thursday the forecast calls for a nice dry day, so hopefully we can get it on then. But worst case scenario, like, if we do get done and you're not able to send the final draw, like, it's totally okay. Like, I'm not worried about it. We'll just wait till you get back, you know, no big deal. That's it, guys. Just want to give a quick update on that, and I'll give you guys an update when it's done, and maybe post some pictures. All right, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.